Charlie. Moment of truth and natural wisdom. Yeah. Na say enwa pictures be smaller no so near the Charlie. So yeah, award no ho. Me say weekend the many time they will talk about that, but the boys already knows that. Yeah. You know. Nana Akufo Addo akwaje award. 1 week in you. Award so na modern home pictures. Modern home news. A screenshot to go we see. Enra no. Award no nye enra. Award no last week. Nana Akufo Addo ajeje awards. African of the Year, the presidential the award ndi bebre. Last month mo papa na start ajeje awards. But mo the awards no AC. Don't do that. Nana Akufo Addo ajeje awards. Na Ghana for media no dia omo the awards no nyina AC. On pesa awards no kwa e beti say awards no ayeyi. But amka nipa ni kodi bone dia amka abet trend with the whole Ghana. What you say? Is that the Ghana we want? Ubi di bone dia no trend. But where papa bia esasa edene trend mo no dia ni akata kata so. Na yakata kata so. President akwaje award. 1 week ago, and Nana Akufo Addo a award. The African of the Year. No? 1 week ago. Then the Omon news no about money more because Omon face the country, you know, Omon chassis. But Papa no so ye Juma. We be ye Juma now for now like all distracting one, not just a distraction one or mu criticize the bear. Omubenya kwan bi agina so akasa Nana Akufo Addo no wonye nti mama ye nyini mfiri ho na eniema wo ye nyina nye nti mama yen start all afresh. What you say? Ena me ka kire mo say bia de Ghana for de this time level ye won de obi eniema papa bi because wa ye hu enye me media don't control my life. Ghana for mama boys not you say pejumaden omo go abontini ye dede ni nyina na face the country face omo nyina ye nkrofo bi a omo mpadwuma ohun se obi a okuta ne nsa no dwuma bi o make cash edi akiri eye boys kakra bi egu akra ho no a ene takura de ni ade na omo mpadwuma no omo ye wifo ne omo no mu wi ni nubone no menka se wi eye de bone na emum no boys bi o ho omo di wi aye wo mo dwuma Omon peduma. What omon pebre? That those type of guys and ubenya womo say omobe sorry edin kwase atim jechisa. Ubi biara wona dwuma ye bia no kre focus on how to work hard and make a lot of money. Mother. But it's very sad. He received those awards last week, but they're trying to hide. The people don't want the awards to come out. Not just because they have already stood up against the president. And I was telling you, since last year before the election, I was telling you that Nana Akufo Addo is a great guy. Looking at if you are basing on the policies in and you know the improvement in Ghana's economy in India, he is the guy. What you say? But yeah, before no son tired the name be brain India grow. Mimi grow. Yeah. Mekano kra chire wo straight up. The same way na mosority Kwame Nkrumah, the time Kwame Nkrumah eye niema ma Ghana no. E na mosority ano, e na Kwame Nkrumah koje awards ewo Africa. The same concept. I was telling you just even August 4 months ago ye na me ka chire wo say face the country nkwasi asem ni nyina munya ina mrantie no. Mun stay focus na mo brabo bi e beboa na muso matimi asom mo my Ghana ya kana ya say America ya won yanti America ahogun so sao. Every day we are trying to do something to make sure our lives are better no. It also reflects in the society. What you say? But omo de Nana Akufo Addo awards no easy. Omo mpese papa na awards no beba out because Nana Akufo Addo abɔ dwuma bia papa adwuma na papa ne ye na kyase ye Ghana fo kra ye hu ne emom ne the whole Africa de omahu se Nana Akufo Addo de we yama Ghana and Africa. For somebody to win such an award as the African of the Year, there are so many contestants for that award. There are so many contestants for such an award. But the reason why they receive such an award is because the man is an influential figure on Ghana and Africa as a whole. And they are hiding the awards. I want person awards never want to. What you say? I want person awards no president Naji awards. I say a big good news. Now will be a who see Nana Akufo Addo cry yes a Ghana for you for no. Mo yes papa no we corrupt into mo sorry tiano no kra no. Mo kra ne bia munim nyansa because mo ani nya na ho. Mo chiche shenta ball space. Yeah. Obi a wa shenta ball space no so wo hu ade bia president ne ye niam akra wo hu. Greediness enkrofo kakra bi hye sumase na omoma omutua bribe kakra bi ma boys bi e comedy oma na oma som na omu yedididi neura fise free SHS no is for the future of the country. Neura fise industries our mampanyin no after commission no is for the future of the country. Bibini wopade obedi no eneyei ompe ade bia obeboa ama daache no aba I build a strong foundation and they don't care. The opade bia omampanyin nsisa sika mu ne botom eneyei no omfa bi no mu wi no omfa bi eni ma no anyam kwase asam. When they want pedjuma bia ye bia obenya bia ya ebeboa se ne ho nto no na oman no so eni on pedjuma. What you say? America ha yemfa sika mu obi botom ha o. You have to know how to make your money. I'm akakadro kakra. Ma sorry atia Nana Akufo Addo. Oma sorry atia Nana Akufo Addo. Oma pesa awards me beba bond because Oma sorry atia. The same way mu didi Kwame Nkrumah tem ena yebe kono ena yebe yeku ena mu kun Kwame Nkrumah asese no. Ena Kwame Nkrumah kokwaje awards ewo Africa. Kwame Nkrumah na ye Ghana for so wanya no Africa for the whole Africa continent etimi ehunu Kwame Nkrumah so mfaso na ye ne tifie de ye se akwa no nye moma ye nkoko no moma ye nyansei ena soja ni bi be yeku ene ye ne Kwame Nkrumah tifie de ye so wanya but enkrofo bi mu gina bontene